Okay, now sorry. Okay. Mm. So I was talking like if someone wanna take any trade, how he take trades in on basis of market or market structure. Like this is our higher high, higher low, again higher high, again higher low, higher high. When this higher low breaks down here, creates MSB, we wait for a slight pullback then. For pullback, we have here some kind of order blocks here, bearish order blocks or supply zones. We take our entry here, we put stop losses above here, and we target these lows. This is how market structure market structure works. This is a simple way to understand. Now look at this structure. Higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, MSB created. After MSB created, we want this kind of pull back here into some kind of order block or some kind of supply zone to open our shorts and target above these highs to target this low and new lower low. Simple is that. Now, after we study this structure, now look at this. MSB happened, lower low created. So this move is in process. The people are saying bull run is back, bull run is back, but this move was pending. We don't get a proper pullback here. Like I will remove this. We got this first pullback here, but this it was not that much healthy pullback, or we saw any there is not any kind of like supply zone, nothing was there. It just came back there to complete lower low. Now we got again pullback here, but this time we have this order block placed here. Look at this order block here of weekly. What does order block means? Order block means like the area where order are executed, a new order placed, or a sell order placed, people place their orders or execute new orders. That area is called order block. So how we can find these order blocks? I have detailed video on YouTube. So anyone who don't know, she can check that video so he will understand. So now at that point, after reading this market structure, this move was pending. Now, after this pullback, this one, I assume that this is the zone from where the new orders will be tagged, and the people who long from here, they will slowly offload their bags here in this zone, and then price will start reversing. Now, at that point, look at these three candles weekly. These are 3-week candles. There is no volume at all. If you check volume from last few days, there is no volume on Bitcoin, but it is why exchanges are setting price up, why they are doing this, I don't know, but it is in supply zone. It is testing supply zone. There is another level which I will mark here. That is our key SR level. This zone is our on daily. When we check daily chart, this is our key SR level here. I will mark it red, and this is our key SR level. If it flipped this SR level, then it will go up, but first it has to be flipped. Now we have two confluences, like we have supply sitting here, weekly supply it is. I am talking on about weekly time frame, not on daily or not on M15, M5 or H1 candles. It is weekly. It takes time to create this kind of order blocks. So these are really powerful order blocks. It will, like if we got any kind of spike here, this is totally a distribution. Totally, this will be a phase of distribution. How distributions work? Like if someone bought here, like some of you got 100 Bitcoin here. okay, and your target was this supply. So you will offload 100 Bitcoin like 33 first, then spike up a bit, 33 again, remaining 34 you again distribute in supply. On higher time frame it is supply, but those spikes are generated through like market makers to like what to trap retailers. Simple is that they trap retailers. When you are opening weekly chart and you see that if price is somewhere here, sharply it goes somewhere here in supply zone like 30k or in 29k in between like that. But when this weekly candle ends, it closes, it will be a only a wick, it will be a wick. That this is called distribution process. They distribute here to trap retailers think that bull market is back, but in back of screen what happened, they are selling there, buying what they have bought here, they are just selling here. So another level we have this SR zone. It is really important zone here, so it will be tapped sooner or later. Now I will go on daily, then after that daily we will check what will be our next plan and how we will execute things. On daily I am zooming in here. Now look at this price action. What is this? If I will do it like this, look at this price action. Whenever a big move came, whenever a big move occurred in the market, before that big move, this kind of choppy, and as you will observe, recently we had this choppiness here. Look at this choppiness. This was a bit clear structure as well, because we had this internal structure break, we had this order block here. So a bit of clear view that was. So it tapped here. When it tapped, look at after this tap, this choppiness. Look this choppiness. How much days? These are 20-30 days, 20-30 candles these are, and it is daily candle. So choppiness continues, and then big move occurred. Same phenomena is going on here. There again market is choppy, but on daily there is no shift. I didn't observe any shift. If we read out market structure here, like higher high, higher low, again higher high, higher low, this is higher low, this one is higher low, it is still protected, it is not broken yet. Or no, not a single candle closes below this. Yes, there are wick fishing on both sides, but candle is not closed yet, so it should be broken down for continuation towards downside. First it should have broken this, but when we will see on lower time frame, you will observe there is already happened. CHOCH or MSB, what you have called, this is already happened. So on daily time frame, what I have I wanna tell you that before any big move, we observe this kind of choppiness. This kind of choppiness, when market comes like this, you observe after that a big blow up. Look at this one here, choppiness, then bang up, choppiness, bang, choppiness, bang. So after this kind of choppiness or choppy movement, market shifts towards its right direction, because price only work in financial markets. Price work in two phases. Like first phase is accumulation, second is expansion. That will be on either side. It accumulate, expand, either on upside, either on downside. These are only two phases of market. Now this is accumulation here, compression, whatever you call it. Then we will observe expansion soon, and I am expecting it towards downside, no more upwards movements. What are the levels up here? I will slowly show you that what levels are to be played upside. Important level I will tell you now. So we observe daily that it is going sideways, choppiness is in market. So after that we will continue to 4 hour or 3 hour, whatever time frame you like. Now observe this one. This is really important price action here. We will study out through from first spike. Like we got higher high, this is higher low here, again higher high. I will count this whole move, this one, because there is no new created, no low created. So this is higher low, again higher high created here, then this low was broken. Higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, again higher high. Higher low should be protected at any cost. What happened here? Higher low broke down here. This is MSB. So we will mark our bearish order block. This is our bearish order block here. Now bears, what will be the market condition here? Bears should have, at any cost, bear will protect this high. Bears, if bears got like a good move towards downside, they should have protect this high. If this high broke out, then this MSB will be invalid. After this MSB, we got again pullback. Like I in start of the session, I explained that when MSB happened like this, we got pullback. We wait for pullback in some kind of our order blocks. So live example is here. We got CHOCH or whatever you say MSB. Then we got our order block, bearish order block here. What is our target? According to theory, this will be our target. That is successfully achieved. But what happened here? After this, there is no no low created. Like this is lower low, again lower high, no new lower low. So that's a pure manipulation is going on. When now price, look at this price action here. This is bearish order block. Price came here, spike up, these stop losses taken out, again closes in down, again here down. Now today this candle is of 4 hour, 27 minute is remaining. What happened here? What happened here? It is again rejecting. Why? Because of this MSB here. Bear should have protect this one at any cost. At any cost it will be, if they want to continue down. So for further confirmation, this low should be down. When H4 closes below this low, so that will be our further continuation towards downside. Like we will target these levels, we will go level to levels. So this is market structure is doing lower low. Again look at this one now. Again there is structure shifted here. This was lower low, lower high. Again this low, new low didn't created, weak high created here, weak high got broken out, MSB happened here. So after MSB, what we will found? We found our order block here. This was yesterday night. Yes, yesterday, day before yesterday it happened. A quick nuke into this order block. What is the target of this MSB? This one is our target. And what happened here? Achieved this target. Now this structure is also invalid. For validation, any H4 candle closes is above, this structure will be invalid and this will continue, because that will be BOS, pullback, buy, and target upper level. So this is market structure here. Now the other 1 2 3 things, those play like on market structure, it is for them. Now there are people who only like work on ranges. So I will quickly draw a range here on Bitcoin. lower time frame range I am drawing here. This is our this one range high, black. This is our range low, and this one is our mid range here. So this one is our mid range here. Now going back towards price action, because price action is king for me. What happened here? I will switch to H2, that will be more clear. Like this is higher low of higher low of H4. Now this target created here, like what we have targeted, we achieved here. But before that, when this H4, like I mark this order block here, price came down, tapped on order block, came down here. I provided this signal in free in Discord. We have section, free section. In that section I have already given this call. So target achieved here. After this target, what we have to do now, lower low, lower high created again. This one is our BOS here, lower low created. Low, after lower low creation, we will wait for pullback to our order block here. This was our H2 order block. I will let it like this, H2 order block. And also another confluence was that was our mid range here. So this was another short setup. From here, stop loss is above this candle, and again target this one. But what happened there? Price trade goes up, broke that order block. When fail order block, then whenever an order block failed, that work as breaker. Now this order block, this H2 order block is working as breaker. Okay. This H2 order block is working as breaker because that was our lower high. It should go like when price came here, it should bounce down towards downside. But what happened here? Price came here all the way up from range low, tapped, broke up. So it created breaker here. Price came here, breaker start working because there was mid range as well, and MSB was created. This one MSB, this was our trigger. First trigger was this one. When we saw any kind of strength here, yes, this was our target achieved. Again price came here, deviated into mid range and breaker, again goes up like to these levels. Yesterday night came here, I thought it broke down here, but when I checked out H4 candle, it didn't even closes below mid range. So that was a fake deviation into this. When this, like, there are two things, invalid mitigated and unmitigated order blocks are Fiji's areas. So this was mitigated. One this bearish order block, which turns into bullish breaker, is medicated here. Look at this one, because we got a bounce from this order block already here for H2 order block. So I personally, I will not trust this order block anymore. Yes, I got confirmation on lower time frame, then I will trust it. But for second bounce, because it already tapped my target, so why I will trust this order block? Yes, it break that what H2, I will turn into H2 again. Internal structure was broken again. This was internal structure, but before that internal structure, this was our whole order block. Now you tell me, this is my order block. Okay, price range is of 27,500 to 28,1, like $500. It is an order block. Where will I will place my order, and what will be my target? This one. From like I place here, what will be my RR, and where will be I put my stop loss? Stop loss is here. Suppose I pick trade here. Okay, My stop loss is below this wick and my target is this high. What is my RR? It is not even of 1 hour. So why will I trust this breaker or this order block? Then what happened here? I didn't execute any long here. Price came here, came back here, deviated, goes straight towards this bearish order block, but target was this one. Again came here, took all stop losses, and this was unmitigated order block of H4. This MSB, because once this bullish order block mitigated, but this was didn't. So they came back, price came back here all the way down here. They execute their order here, eliminate those who long this MSB, because good move is like if someone is long from here, price came all the way here up here to bearish order block, so place your stop to break even. But those who didn't place, what happened after that move? Price came all the way to test this order block, execute these orders, eliminate those longers. All these longers are eliminated, executed those order, stop losses are below target. This one target already achieved. Now moving forward, now after this MSB, we also have this MSB here. Higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, new high didn't create it. When new high didn't create it, it means buyers are losing momentum and sellers are in charge. MSB happened. Quickly mark your bearish order block. This one is your bearish order block. Place order in it. Stop loss above this one or above this one. Your target is this one. Dang, your target achieved. New low is also created. Now again wait for bearish order block. Where is bearish order block? H1, there is no bearish order block at all. So I will consider this one. Again this one, price came here, this one. After creating this low, price again tagged, and a bit of we got what we will say, we got a spike down towards downside, stop break even, and what happened? This breaker again start playing. Prices came here, bang up, eliminate all those shorters who were short from here, stop losses are taken out, again going down to this breaker, and it is taking support again. So how someone will trade? Like I personally got this short only, this one, and I missed this long. Yes, I missed this long. I have idea of this one, but it didn't came to my entry. My order block was there, it didn't came. I missed this. I just only took this short because this was clean and first one. I have confluences, my target achieved. How will I trade this? Like MSB happened, I don't know whether this will be activated or not. Look at this one, lower low, lower high, broken. So double confirmation, my order block is this one. Again, price closes below. How will I take my position here? Again, MSB here. Yes, it was clean short. I missed it. I purely missed it. I didn't take this one. Again, long and short. This is whole choppiness going on in between of like $500 movement. Price is moving like this. So I'm not interested at all. I have placed my orders above like these levels on, I have shared my call as well. That is on 29,300, 29,400 as well, because this is range high. Deviation here goes again. If price came here, and it will eliminate because there are too many stops are placed above. Those who shorted from here, their stops here. Those who stops. Again, short triggered stops here. Those shorts stops here. Again, new shorts stops here. So there are too many stops are above. So I want them a one wick candle, a big green dildo here, then go towards mid-range and range low. When price came here, we will see what we will do on like a range low. Yes, if it loses range low, then on daily, if I open daily again, because on daily structure is bullish. On lower time frame, it is choppy, but on daily time frame, on higher time frame, it is bullish. Like this is our higher high, higher low. If I consider this whole move, like this one is higher high, again we got higher low here, then this is new higher high here. Now after new higher high under supply, so a bit of like a move towards downside is pending. That will be okay until unless this is not broken. So where from, if I expect a downside movement, like where will be it ended? So we will get some possible areas. We will mark our possible areas here, possibility where we will look for longs again if price dropped below. That was our higher high here, again higher low, higher high. This higher low broke down here, MSB created. So after MSB creation, we find our bearish order block. That was our bearish order block. Price came here, eliminate early shorters, then down a bit, goes up. So it means like this, H4, I turn on H4 again, live example. MSB here, this was our bearish order block, but breakout here, what this turn bearish order block into bullish breaker. So same phenomena will be applied here. This was our bearish order block. Now it will turn as bullish breaker. And see, in this bullish breaker, we have bullish order block as well. So double confluences here. So if price came in this zone, that will be our good zone for buying. That will be very good zone for buying, and to target these highs. I will take few more confluences into it. I will, this was this one, range high. This was our last range low. I will not, I am not marking like mid range. So it was our last previous range. So another confluence was this one, that range high broke out here. So it didn't retest it properly. So for that retest, it will came down all the way here, stabilize here, a bit of internal structure, and we will trigger target this one. Stop will be below low. So this is a good plan for long. On now longing here is like stupidity. If you are scalping, it's good. What if you are looking for higher levels from this point? It is simply a stupidity here. So that will be a good trigger here. We will, if someone is looking for long, wait for this retest here. It will retest here. MSB, when you saw any kind of MSB on H1, H4, trigger your long position, stops below, target this one, then new high will be, there will be a possibility for new high to create. So if this, like if this broken out, broke down here, so that will also what we will say, that will be mm, invalidation here. Like this is our order block. Now drawing future, what we will say, a future of price action. I'm assuming a future price action. If price came here, okay, according to this structure, this one, this is our bullish order block and bullish area where we will load our long positions. Now when price came here, it will create MSB as well here. That will be MSB. Like it is higher high, that will be, according to this will be lower low. So another confluence for me is that for this MSB, we also need a pullback. So that will, those bearish order block, any bearish order block will be there. That will be our target here. We will offload or place stop loss to break even. Who knows, maybe we got breakout here. If didn't, then that will be a short position here, target this one and then this one, new lows. Simple is that on BTC. Don't trade this choppiness because cash is king. Keep your cash with you. You people are all of newbies are here. They didn't even know what happened in past. Look at this one. Bear market. We got MSB here. Price came all the way down to 2 order blocks. Bearish order block. What happened here? It again came back. So currently this move is in process. This move is pending here. After this move, we will get our main move back towards upside. So keep your cash in hand for this move, not for this move. If you got broke out here, no worries at all. This one is your another bearish order block here. So you will get that move. This one pullback will be there. So keep eye on international, what we will say, on big equations, what is going between China, America, and all that stuff. War is going on between Russia and Ukraine. So there will be a catalyst for this move, this downward move. We will have a catalyst in market. They will dump on us. Maybe we see those levels, those lower levels, because there are few other confluences here. So don't worry about that. If you there think like you missed the rally and whatever, the best move and the great move are pending. So I think it's enough. Okay, order block session, because I will share it for you. Do you guys get it? What was I am saying? Confusion? ETH, please. Ethereum 10 out of 10. Thank you. Okay, user. Ethereum. That was a range. Simple range was this one. Broke out here. Okay. Now this blue zone is you are buying. If anyone want to buy, this was a good one zone here. Buy here a bit. Stop losses below here and target 20-30 level. Why I mark? I also don't know why I marked this level. This is okay. I remember. Open 3-month chart. 3-month range it is on Ethereum. This is high of Ethereum, 2030 of range high. This is low, 10 on straight we will set like 1000. So if you got a good movement here, because ETH BTC looking good, ETH BTC pair is looking good. If you got something here, like if someone wanna buy here, price came here down, lower low, lower high, internal structure broke here, market order long, and stop loss below here. Target first this one. When this target achieved, place your stop to break even, and then wait for the higher levels, like those monthly levels. These are important levels. If those, so yes, it is looking good. Base is created, going up. Yes, Ethereum for now is look good, but I'm interested in buying in spot in these areas. When will it will be there? I bought here. My Discord members knows I bought here and I sold somewhere here. I think here. So I'm waiting for those levels again to tapped. So I will load up on stock. Then can show what's your thoughts on ING? Yes, ING. ING USDT dot. Okay. ING actually on daily time frame, it is making inverse head and shoulder broke out. That is very healthy broke out here. Okay. When you see this one, this is really healthy broke out here. And according to structure, this MSB happened, higher high, higher low, again higher high is happened here. So that is higher low, and